Spika Design and Manufacturing's Conical Work Platform series conforms to round profiles at any height and adjusts to match any diameter. Available as a mobile or stationary work platform. The semicircular design of Spika's Conical series in the low position accommodates half the circumference of the article being accessed. As the object's circumference changes or becomes smaller, thin-line deck extensions adjust to match these changes. Optional mini deck extensions allow for even tighter conformity to match an article's profile. Toe boards help define the walking surface and prevent damage to the article being accessed. 100% fall prevention is achieved with Spika's angled telescopic guardrails capable of withstanding 200 pounds of side force as defined by OSHA. For instances requiring the angle of the guardrail to change, Spika offers articulating rails. Spika's Conical series provides custom height adjustability capable of vertical travel up to 8 feet or higher. Height can be adjusted via manual or electric power. Telescopic legs at each corner provide unmatched stability during all stages of extension for confidence while working. In addition, all Spika work platforms are tested to 4 times the maximum intended load. Stop improvising and start innovating with access solutions tailored to your goals with Spika Design and Manufacturing's Conical Work Platform series.